Hi koutou, ko Owen ahau. I am Owen.
And my today WINTON School, ko Archie ahau. I am Archie. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for day 2, the 22nd of March.
Let's start the day with a new student news. Isabella Batt-Eade is starting out in room 1 today.
It's her first day at school and she has her big sister Lily-Eade in room 12.
Welcome to WINTON School, Isabella. Have a fun day in room 1. Okay, let's get into kupu or te wiki. This week's word is tuhi, which is te reo for draw or write.
As in, no tenei tuhi. Did you draw this?
Sure did. Pretty good at A.
Kapai, tuhi, which is te reo for draw or write.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 11 till 5.
That means ngā potae from 11 o'clock koutou. Kia ora.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
House news. Aparima, you have a meeting in room 13 at morning tea time.
Alrighty, could you please meet in room 12 at morning tea time?
And Hokanui touch players, meet in the junior lunch area with your gear and lunch at 12:30. Kia ora.
Birthday news. One birthday at WINTON School today.
Vincent Crawford is turning 9.
Ra whānau kia koe. Vincent, have a great day.
And before we go, reminder that if the weather holds out, we have Hokanui playing Aparima.
And Takitimu playing already today at 12:45 across the road.
All junior students must cross the road with a year 5, 6, 7 or 8 student.
Get out there and support your houses. And that's it for today from everyone here at N.E.W.S News Team. Ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Play hard and play for your WINTON School.